Daddy, are you busy?
What?
Are you busy?
I'm just watching football, man. What's up?
Okay. I know I'm a boy, I know I'm 9, but I'm just curious about something.
All right, I know what you. Dang! Percy, get off me. Gotta tell your brother about it. Okay, Emery. When a daddy and a mommy love each other, they start talking and they start kissing and hugging.
Alright, Daddy. I was just curious about how does SpongeBob make fire underwater?
I don't. This is awkward. I'm gonna go now. That was close.
Daddy, before you go,
What?
why don't you put your KY jelly on your peanut butter jelly sandwich?
That part, oh, I wanna give the world my all. My mind, soul, and my spirit. Police killing my brothers. That's 6 murders, no witness. And only one survivor, and the bullet missed him by inches. He could've got hit in the heart with a 22 ricochet, holding the kidney. We was raised a little different. Pray on it.